30. Oh. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. We are here today, and I have a special guest. And today is Coach Meritus, and she is from Canada. So I am so grateful that she's really busy, and I'm grateful that she has time for me today for my interview. And I hope that you have. You will be able to get inspired by her. So before I am going to continue, I'm going to ask her to introduce herself first, and then uh, join us if you'd like to. So Coach Maritas.
Hello, everyone. Hello to your viewers, Merly. Intro about myself. I am an ordinary nurse and mom who ventured into Canada in 2001 with my husband. And now we have three boys all born in Canada. Adult na sila. And to university, isang graduating. So we're almost nesters. Yung aming mga boys ang aming focus. Wala kaming alam kundi nursing. And my husband works in the production industry. And we came to Canada with our dream. And we were simple, no business background, nothing. It's just our very small goal of like making our life better. And then here comes the business, which I will tell you later.
Thank you so much, Coach Maritas. So you have three kids now that are adult.
Yeah, 21, 20, 19, and turning 18 this month.
Oh my goodness, yeah, you're almost empty nester. So yeah, thank you so much first of all, and then I would like to say to my viewers that if you have questions to Coach Meritus or to me, just drop your comment below. So my question to you, the first one is, um, how did you find this business? So do you know the people that you join into?
Yeah, so are we Taglish or English viewers this
You
afternoon?
can mix. We can mix.
Okay, okay.
Kasi
So,
Cebuano ako eh. I'm
yeah,
Cebuano. So by
okay.
the way,
Ilocano,
we have a different.
Ilocano. Yeah, I
We,
am Ilocana. So
okay.
anyhow, how did you find this online business? I did not find this business. It found me. My it was in January of 2020 when this business found me at my most miserable moment. Bedbound, broken leg. I have fixator on my right leg. I have PIC line. I was on antibiotic. I was on a lot of narcotics. But a coworker texted me and say, "Ate, you might want to check this business." She didn't know how I was. She didn't know I was really in bad shape.
Oh, wow.
Uh, she just texted me because of her landlord, who is my coworker on the unit. She's also a nurse, the one who introduced to me, but she works at another floor, and she never knew what I was going through because it was
Oh,
almost they're closing the world that time. January. It's almost the pandemic was coming, and so that's the time when it was introduced to me. So I was supposed to be looking for a surgeon to fix my broken leg, but this
take care of
business
it. I'm sorry.
found me. Yeah,
Take
it's
care of it,
okay.
please. Sorry about that, Coach Meritus.
It's
I think
okay.
our dog just ate one of the salmon. So
Oh,
Mason,
life life
it's live.
happens. Life happens. Yeah.
Okay, take care of it, please. I'm live. Gosh.
Poor salmon.
Yeah. Oh my. Anyway, so you were in a hospital at that time, and
I was
then you.
home, but I was bedbound.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Wow. So that is really the business found you. That's amazing. So that that is one of the best thing probably that happened. Hey. So
I
so
wasn't thinking of anything, but
oh
I said, "What
really?
if?" what if I would have been able to go back to nursing? So I just said yes. There's no
Mm.
agenda. There's no excitement. I just said sure. Let me check. Matabang. But then next thing you know, 5 years here now, enjoying every piece and bits and pieces of the business.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much for sharing about your journey and that one. Okay, so what did you have any online experience before joining this business?
I would say yes because I joined around how many, maybe few months, maybe 4 months of insurance in the
Oh,
Philippines. And after that, I don't know if you know Intra, the bottled
I heard about
food
that. Yeah.
company. I did that for probably few months too, but I wasn't really serious with businesses because I don't like the mere fact of selling, going into people's faces, intruding in their day to day. I hated it. Anyway, there's really not much business experience except when I was in the Cordillera in Kalinga, Philippines. My mom owned a store, a sari-sari store where I used to help. And that's all I had. And then I had nursing and nursing for all my adult life and nothing else.
Mm. Okay. Well, thank you for sharing with that experience. So, there's a lot of people also in our business that don't have any experience about online. So, a lot of times we come into the unknown world pretty much. So, thank you, Coach Meritus. So, the next one is, what is the best experience you have ever had in this business?
The best experience would be like the the me now, my new version. When I joined this business, I would never think of myself coming on to any social media talking like this. I've gone out of my comfort zone and I have become the new version of me. Partly also because of the yung pagsubok that I went
Mm-hmm.
through. And I kind of somehow it made me stronger because before I used to be so timid, so shy. I cannot be fighting for myself. Like I was just so scared of what people think. I was just so scared of what if, all the failure and the setback of I didn't pursue any opportunity. I was just mediocre. I was just getting by, and I have my nursing to provide for me and my family. We were okay, the okay life, I was that. And then now the massive transformation of the Maritas now twisted like a 360-degree turn. My outlook in life became bigger, my goals became, like higher than I could imagine. I dreamt bigger, like even if I think I couldn't reach it, I just dream. That's how this business taught me, because if I wasn't a business minded person and I ventured into this and thrived and became successful, what would, like, those who already have the baseline of on the social media, they already do like postings and they drew this. That's why I said to my mom, I think artista ako nung araw, because now I like, yung mga, di ba, we need to post photos and sometimes you have to do. I was like the craft, the creativity that came out
Mm.
of me is really amazing, that I'm enjoying every bits and pieces of it that I'm earning and doing. Someone might just be scrolling on social media, someone might just be doing all these reels and stuff, but not getting paid. So that's the difference. So that's all in one is the peace of mind that the monetary and the self fulfillment and all that came with it. That's my best experience in this business.
That's a really big transformation, honestly. You as being a quiet person and shy person, and now here you are, a very successful online business owner. And even though you're still working as a nurse, you are also enjoying your business, which is really nice. I know that, was it last year that you went to Jerusalem? I think I saw your post at that time, and I was
It
just
was
like,
20, I think that was 2022 or 23.
oh, okay, 2020.
2022.
Yeah, one of the I saw you. I was just like, oh my goodness. I've never thought. By the way, this is the first time that Coach Meritus and I has a conversation. Literally had a conversation, person to person. I mean, like this. We never had conversation before. We are cross lines, so but we are seeing each other, of course, inspiring each other, and that is one thing that caught my attention because she is just an amazing successful online business owner, and also a nurse, so very inspiring. So thank you so much for that, Coach Marites. And the next one is, what is your biggest accomplishment in this business?
That would be, if you're asking about the biggest, I mentioned about peace of mind.
Okay.
That basically because I got my leg back, and when I got my leg back, come with it is a successful online business. Sinong mag-aakala na for a person, I almost lost my leg. The doctor
Mhm.
already said he will amputate. And
Right.
at that point, that was the time when this business came to my lap. And then I said, just hang on. I want to go for one more surgery. If and when that will not be successful, go ahead and amputate my leg.
Wow.
But my faith was bigger than my fear. I prayed harder than it should. Like I prayed really hard, Lord, give me back my leg. And with that came the business. Now that I look back,
Mm-hmm.
yung napakatalino talaga na, like no one can question God's plan. Yun, like I didn't know. Binigyan pa ako ng online business, binalik pa niya yung pa ako. So I
Yeah.
got all of both worlds. Although hindi perfect yung pa ako, I wear special shoe, but I'm walking. I was
Mm-hmm.
actually running today to the Filipino store, and I could run. I said I could run. That's the biggest accomplishment that this business gave me. It gave me that peace of mind. Yes, I have my nursing still. I was able to go back to work. Doing alongside is this business, which you could do it part time. What both worlds I got. So then when it you merge both, then your income will be bigger. Your your uh, your basket is diverse. 'Cause I don't want to quit my nursing. I'm already on the senior
Mm-hmm.
senior staff. Like I could vacation anytime. I could call in sick if I don't feel good. Like
Mm-hmm.
everything just fit perfectly. And I think that's the best accomplishment because I could balance my life. I don't have to stress about money. It's not to brag, but when you have something coming in out of, like more channels is better than one.
Yeah.
So I don't
Yeah.
have to stress out going to my nursing job. It's a good segue of my business, but they're both people oriented careers. So
Yeah. Wow, that is very inspiring. You are doing what you love right now. You love the online business, and you also love your nursing. And like you said, you're not stressed about your job, so that's a good thing. Because a lot of times, I think people are so stressed with their jobs, and that's why also they're looking for something else.
mm,
But in your case, you love both of them, and that is a very inspiring to those of moms out there, and nurses, or healthcare workers that are also looking for something, so you don't have to quit your job in order for you to do this business also. So that's a really a great example for those people who are looking for something else. So that's very inspiring because you, like you said, you're doing as the nursing, as dealing with people, and in this business we also work with people, so that put them together, that really makes it a big difference also to help others. So as a mother and a nurse, what would you tell the busy parents or a mom out there who are skeptical and afraid of something new? Because there's a lot of people, because of the new world that we have right now, we are more into internet, and there's a lot of bad things that happening out there and scams out there. So what would you suggest to them?
yeah, be cautious, but don't be overcautious. Because next thing you know, the same opportunity that passed me by would have passed you by years ago, and you didn't. act, and we're already thriving, we're already flying high, and with the same circumstances as you do probably now, that you're scared, skeptical, cautious. That was me before too. But my I was afraid, but I did it anyway. So why not? Anong mawawala sa akin?
Right.
It's I pay the 149 and it's refundable, and what if I don't like it? Then refund your money. Everything gets back to you, and what did you lose? You just gain the knowledge that you have learned from us. You probably seen Merly long time ago. You're following her, and then skeptical pa rin kayo, and 5 years na si Merly, 5 years na rin ako, nandito pa rin kami, and there's no signs of stopping because
Yeah.
the income that's generated from this business is truly amazing. Yung sa nursing ko, 28 years of nursing, 23 years in Canada. You know what I got on my 20th anniversary? I got a hat, and a winter hat. Dito sa business, I'm only 5 years. I get quarterly bonus. And it's a massive amount. Hindi siya barya-barya. So, it's
Mhm.
up to you to be skeptical, but it's easy. That's why we're here sharing the business. Baka sakaling ma-inform namin kayo because knowledge is power. But if you don't use that knowledge, it's useless. It's potential power. If you use it, then it's power, right? So we're here informing you. Get the information, extract the information from us, ask questions, and help yourself, educate yourself, because the skepticism comes from the lack of knowledge. So know this business. There's a way to learn. Sis Merly here has her website. You could ask, and that's the gateway to know this business. And yeah, knowledge is power, and it will empower you if you use it. If you just stay skeptical and not do anything, then you would fall into like 5 years from now, you would still be the same person as you were. So that's my piece of my 1 cent.
Well, thank you so much, Coach Meritus. And to those of you, if you guys are curious about the online business and if you'd like to reach out to Coach Meritus also, just reach out to her anytime because we are here to help each other. And that's what's best about this community that we have because we are helping each other grow and supporting each other. It doesn't matter if we are connected financially or we are cross lines because that's what we're here for. We are helping each other to grow and also become successful in life and help our family and people that needs it. So just check our website. Yeah, just go into each of um, our profile. If you need some questions, then just reach out anytime. All right, thank you very much. And Coach Maritas, thank you for everything. Thank you for the time that you spent with me today. So
You're
have a
welcome.
wonderful Wednesday, everyone. And today is Us Wednesday. So take care and have a blessed afternoon. So bye for now.
Bye. Thank you.